Okay.
All right then.
Alright, give you a minute if you need
I
it.
do want to mention for the record, Zach, with me on mini golf, I mostly use the mouse to play the game, though I do use the controller to control the camera.
Well, that's fair, but it's like, I don't know. I guess I'm feeling a little bit better since, yeah, if you were here earlier, I was fucking struggling, dude.
I'll be right back and get a drink.
Anyway,
So where are you guys at right now? Because I'm at the game more than I don't see you.
We disconnected.
Yeah.
Oh, derp.
Here, hang on.
Oh yeah. Have I guys shown you guys my theater condo?
I don't think so. If you want to show it.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna make it friends only, and there you go. Oh wait.
Just give me... I'll be there in a bit. I'm just looking around. Wish someone just put a generic fox in here. This one. That one's broken. I'm just browsing real quick.
Oh no, you're fine, man.
Wait, are we waiting on anyone?
Oh shit.
We're waiting on Ari. I think Ari said he went to go get something.
Oh, I
Some
thought so.
food, some food, I think.
No worries.
All right, I forgot.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh shit! I just realized, Zach, am I friends with you on Steam?
I have no idea.
Alright, so it's time for mini golf.
Hmm.
Alright.
So okay, I guess I gotta join you.
Yep, just gotta set a game up first, so give me a sec. We'll do Treasure Cove. Nice, easy, straightforward.
Alright.
Alright, come join me.
Step aside, gentlemen. PGA Tour golfing champion coming
All right,
through.
now I'm gonna try and see if I can do this with the keyboard.
Those words will be your undoing.
We'll see about that.
Okay,
One thing you should also know is Ari is so cocky in mini golf.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a rivalry between them.
There's always
You
a
could
rivalry
There
with
is
everything.
no competition. I've beaten
There's
Tiger
always
Woods.
a rivalry every
Bullshit.
time. Customize your ball.
So yeah, you can like change the color, add accessories. You can even change the ball to be something else entirely. As you'll see from my ball, specifically.
Uh-huh. Alright. Oh, the lighthouse bend.
This
Okay.
music is so catchy. I like that.
Oh, I'm first?
Oh
no, it's...
Actually, we all go at the same time.
Okay. God damn it.
No.
Yeah, the game would go on forever if everyone's taking turns. Good lord.
Yeah, that's the thing about these with this game, Zach. If you don't hit the ball hard enough, you gotta be really precise with how much strength force you hit.
Thanks. Thanks, guys.
Burb.
Don't.
Alright.
Honestly, I'll be brutally honest with you. You're gonna be shit for like the first couple of games. It's only because you got to learn how the power gauge works and what's soft, what's hard.
What's soft and what's
all
hard.
part of the process.
That's one way to describe it.
Yeah, that's what I had to go through when I started playing this game. So don't feel bad if you feel like you're lagging behind.
There's always time for practice. Like,
I'm not.
Don't worry about it.
You guys have to remember, I'm not the type of guy who gets.
It's okay. Everything will be fine.
Well, we just typically say that as a precaution.
We care about you, you know.
Things will get better.
All right, we gotta go slow.
I saw somebody just fly out there.
Stop, please.
There we go.
Probably desync because I hit it really hard and I didn't fly.
Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, thank God that wall came up.
Ooh, you guys are fine.
Alright, where am I going?
Oh, whoops. Well, I can make this work.
Hey.
How you doing down there? Hello. Oh, hey, JR.
Fine.
Decided to sit up here with me and do the view.
Watch from the sidelines as I fuck this up royally. Oh, hey, I'm up here. Cool, I made it. Alright, now, gentle.
Hello, Mario.
Hello, Mario.
Nice.
Yeah.
You know, I will say this: of all the games that you can only really get on Steam or PC for that matter, I think Tower Unite would probably have to be my favorite.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with Tower Unite.
Yeah.
Swashbuckle Switchback. Oh, boy.
Especially since most of the games I have on Steam are games
Oh,
that either
my
I already
favorite.
Oh,
RNG
God.
bullshit.
Oh, didn't make it. Damn.
I
Alright.
definitely
I
didn't
did.
make it, but JR did.
Nice, good job.
God damn it.
Fucking.
Booyah! I think
Oh,
I just
but
got
now I make it. Fucking.
The fuck is this camera angle? Are you kidding me?
Whatever. I'll take my angle.
God damn. The camera angle fucked me over. Alright, I got an idea.
It will do that.
Here, what if I
If you
do-
want to get like, if you want to like properly adjust it, you can hold right click.
Oh, there we go. Thank you, physics. Okay. Is everyone in?
Par for the course.
Alright, go this way.
There you go. Ooh. Actually, I almost landed in the right spot. Not bad.
Thank you. In! Ah!
Almost.
If that landed in, that would have been a pretty cool shot.
Yeah.
I'm in. Double bogey, thank you.
Three-way tie for first place.
I do feel a little bad. Oh, fuck these holes. I hate
It's the
them.
one in the middle, I think.
Middle is one you want. If you get middle, you get hole in one.
Well, I win a little. Okay.
I got a hole in one. Goodbye.
No.
Good shot.
Oh, come on, really? Great. I gotta go
so
around.
close. I got an eagle, which is good enough.
Should have put a little bit more speed on that one.
Up!
Well, he did say it would go up. It did. It's just, you know,
It just
You
didn't
don't want to
stay
hit it
up.
too
Stop
hard.
hitting the fucking ball!
dude, this is golf, not baseball. What are you trying to do here?
Oh god, I feel so bad.
Softer.
A little soft.
There, softer.
There you go.
Ooh, just made it.
I'll go in. Okay. Gonna kill someone.
To be fair, that wasn't his fault. It bounced off.
There we go.
Yay, plus
Light like a feather. Light like a feather.
Oh. Now it looks like it's pretty obvious who's in the lead right now.
Oh, that would change.
Oh, I
We'll
fucked.
we'll
I
see
hate
though.
this.
I think you guys will probably
A leap-
maintain the lead.
a-
We'll see.
A leap of faith. Okay.
Hey, look, it's just like Assassin's Creed.
I knew one of you was gonna say that!
Whoop.
Oh, no.
Oh, god damn it, Ari.
Well,
Oh
I'm
no
out.
no no! You got like wait. There we go.
You got a little
Oh my
boost
God.
ahead.
God damn it. Go up!
Honk.
Okay, oh my god. I'm
Go
not
in
gonna
peace.
make it. I've already accepted it. I'm not gonna make it. How do I move my camera up and down? Because I'm stuck in the...
Hold
looking
right
up-
click.
Right click. Okay, that's better. Alright, what if I do this? There we go.
There you go.
I'm making-
Right in there.
Birdie.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ba-dunk.
In.
God, can you imagine if it made you stuck there? The game would
Yeah,
be dirty.
that would have pissed me off. Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
Never mind.
Oh.
I didn't realize my power was that high. Okay.
You gotta use that.
There
ramp.
we go.
You gotta use that ramp to your advantage.
Hey, let me keep this up. 2 10s in a row.
And once again, it's a 3-way tie between me, Ari, and Max.
Alright.
This one I think is RNG because you never know if you're gonna get hit at the end.
Kinda and kinda no. Like, I'm indifferent about this one. Oh, son of a fuck.
Oh, you gotta be. Oh, I bounced off. I couldn't get in. There we go.
Oh.
Well, there goes the hole in one.
Whatever, just pull me in, Scotty.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, please, 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 please.
Oh, damn it.
It's like one of those window door things. Oh, you fucking cunt!
Oh, come on!
Yeah, I think this one has to be at least RNG. It's the timing of it.
Ah, bullshit.
There we go. You know
Yeah,
what?
this is one of those courses where you have to pray RNGesus is on your side.
The ones I hate are the ones where it's like the little pipe is moving left and right. I hate those. Those I cannot do.
Hey, digging for treasure.
More becoming treasure. Cause
Oh
you're
my
priceless, am I right?
You're-
This guy gets it. He knows.
Your fucking pun ruined me.
Are we blaming other
I guess
players?
that makes you have no value.
Oh god, that's harsh.
Hey, he said it, not me.
I'm in. Well, I'm in the chest. Hi, guys.
I'm in. Ah, the camera's in an awkward angle. Okay, I think I got it. This will do.
There
Not
we go.
bad.
Watch as I mix this one up.
We need to get a compilation of all of her goofy sound effects. I probably have like 70% of them.
Yeah, I know. You want to include all my screams, you know? Because I'm that fucking funny when I scream.
It was out of nowhere. Like I was like watching you fight the
Oh,
zombies
Canyon
and
101.
Well, yeah, when you see a giant horde of them chasing you, I think you're gonna fucking freak out, you know?
Go in, please. Thank you.
Oh, hey.
boom.
Oh.
Oh, that's a flag. Oh my god. Go, 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 please. Oh, that was close.
Go, go, go! Come on.
Huh? Okay. Ah! Okay, I'm here.
Ah. Oh.
That wasn't hard enough, damn it.
Right in there. Yes, in the fucking hole. You got it.
And I'm in.
There you go.
Clean. Ooh, that was close.
I was ready to yell at that ball right there.
Yeah, like he was like, no, yeah, okay.
I used to play golf when I was younger.
Yeah.
It's the
Yes, same.
speak of the devil.
Yeah. Okay. This can get.
Fuck
really
these
bad.
holes. They make me fucking feral.
Who's that kill Wolfie?
Shut up.
Wolfie's gonna go forward.
Shut up.
Foofy
Stop it.
One, baby! There we go!
Oh shit! Nice, dude.
I will allow this. Well done. Your first hole in one.
Thank you!
Son of a bitch.
Now, if you can get 10 of those, you might actually catch up with.
Son of a fucking
Wow,
bitch.
okay.
Thanks.
I'm sorry. That was a dick thing to me to say. I'm sorry. Now, if you practice really, really, really hard, you can actually catch up to.
I'm gonna remember that during our next payday.
Oh no.
Zach will remember this.
choked him. Oh god, he nearly choked. He's gonna do a max and blow us up. Just be
The
like,
game was rigged from the start. What can I say?
Game was rigged from the start.
Damn it, I didn't hit it hard enough.
Fuck off, stream servers.
All right, we're off. Oh boy.
Honk.
It's just like Assassin's Creed Black Flag.
Yeah, there you go. Just
This
minus,
is like pirates.
just minus the sea shanties. You know, there's an idea actually. They should put some sea shanties just going on in the
Son of a
background.
bitch, I didn't hit it hard enough.
It would add some nice ambience, but I don't know.
Might
I
be
guess I think some
distraction.
people. I think some people just like this peaceful ambience here. The wind,
it's quite
birds,
nice. It's
yeah.
quite nice. We're taking it easy.
Now imagine, apparently, like
Ship duel.
Tower Unite's gonna get a VR like support,
That's
but
what I
it's
keep
very
hearing.
bare bones at the minute. But imagine this with VR support.
That'd be kind of cool. I'd be down for that.
It would be rage-inducing.
Oh,
People
yeah.
would break their controllers. I've seen people that actually break their controllers out of sheer rage in
From this game.
VR golfing. No,
Oh.
VR golfing.
Oh god,
I've seen it. It's bad.
I would never break my machine or anything. Even if,
Yeah, I
even in my
cannot.
rage, like I paid way too much money to. Have
Yeah,
that
it's probably
Yeah.
like the worst thing I'd do is probably give it a little bang out
That's
of
the
rage,
thing
but
that
I
always-
wouldn't break it.
That's the thing that always bothers me. Whenever I see people, they're like, "Oh, you know, I broke my controller." I'm like, "How are you okay with that?" You know?
Like I don't even bang my gear. Like I just bang
Neither-
what's next to it, like my.
Has
table.
anyone ever like kind of twisted the controller? Like you don't want to break it
No.
per se, but like the left hand kind of pulls it back. I've heard that some people do that. Like instead of throwing it against the wall, they just kind of like twist it like a toy, like those the old.
I've-
it's like,
I've never done-
They want to snap it. but
Like
they
the
can't.
bop.
Some people have
Bop it.
actually
Yeah, the
broken
bop.
it that way.
Yeah.
I have not
Bop.
had to. I've never had to do that, to be honest.
Same. Well, I mean, I've done it, but not to the extent of like destroying, but just kind of like it's like you're keeping it in there, not fully gonna break it, but you're not, but you're still just you want to snap
Abandoned
something.
ship.
Oh.
Abandoned ship.
Well, this is all pure
Oh.
timing. Well, let's see where this goes.
I'm thinking of that one voice line from Assassin's Creed Black Flag, like when
Oh
you go
my
well
God.
hunting.
Well,
and then,
I guess I'm-
and then there's just a guy that's like, "Where are you, you bastard?"
Of fucking course I didn't get it.
Okay, okay,
Oh,
fucking
hey.
bullshit. RNG fucking bullshit!
I waited like just half of a minute and I got it.
I fucking hate these holes.
Welcome to the club.
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Oh,
That really sucks.
That's
Should
a-
have gotten that.
that's a good angle right there, though.
I got
Bogey,
7
more like
strokes for
suck
whatever.
these nuts.
I got 7 strokes for whatever.
These nuts. Got him.
All I need is for one of you guys to fuck up really bad.
Hey, your current your current score is 69.
Nice.
Nice.
You know that guy actually did an interview where he talked about being made a meme.
Please go into the hole, please. Thank you. I didn't get the hole in one, did I? I didn't. Go fucking
course,
fuck
and
yourself, you
of course I wind up in
stupid
the one hole.
fucking hole. I hate these.
Of course, I wind up in the one hole in the hole I didn't want.
Alright, I gotta.
Wrong hole.
Fuck you.
I try to get in position. Yes.
Oh, you gotta be fucking.
Add,
kidding me.
adding that to the compilation.
Get in the hole. Get in the hole. It fits.
It fits. What?
SOB.
The hole fits. Oh my god. Oh yeah, the hole.
Ah!
So all this time you were
fits.
trying to stick a square peg in this circle hole.
Yes.
Around
right.
all-
I managed to get it to fit. Okay, I'm gonna push
Oh,
the
oh,
Bullshit! Bullshit!
oh,
Oh no.
There we
I
go.
am so sorry for that. Oh,
that
was
shouldn't even be
unfortunate.
possible, and yet somehow it is.
It's mini golf. Anything is
You
possible.
know your scores, you can do a score right. Oh, go fuck yourself, game. Go fuck
Yep.
yourself.
the rage is real with this one. Don't worry, we'll go to Paladins and we'll shoot everybody up. Don't worry.
Not a bad shout. No, there's like 4 of us.
What? What? What?
What happened?
I went to the right side, and it just and I just went way off course, like out of bounds.
That has happened to me before, so don't feel bad. That has happened.
Wait, did I just get a hole in one?
Yeah.
I did.
That
Let's
is-
go, baby! Hole in
Can
one!
you give me a moment?
Yeah.
That
Almost
is,
got it.
Woo!
There
that
we
doesn't
go.
make it any less bullshit, though.
Yeah, I feel your pain. Sometimes it just glitches out and puts me out of bounds. Like
Slam dunked.
And it doesn't help that when you go out of bounds, it's docked as a point.
You know,
Yeah.
there's something I always wanted to try with this course. There was a next to the treasure chest. There's a that section is lowered a little bit. Like maybe you could shoot past the chest and into the hole.
Ah, fucking hell.
I don't know if you guys see what I'm talking about. Like when the thing goes up, you could shoot over the chest. I don't know if that would work. Somehow,
I don't know.
I think there's a way you can position that.
Oh,
Brain.
what?
You see, brainy, don't thinky.
Okay. Little.
It's big brain time. Let's go.
I was little, nice.
There we go.
But wasn't
Somehow
it? It wasn't that little.
Somehow me and somehow JR got more strokes than me. I think.
Well,
I
that's
did.
because I went off. That's because I went out of bounds. When you go
Yeah.
out of
That
bounds,
one did him
it's-
in.
Yeah.
This
I
this one
hate this fucking hole.
This one I can't quite figure out.
Oh,
Yep, there
son
we
of a
go.
bitch!
Oh,
I
down here.
almost had it.
Oh, how about that?
Yeah, this one's gonna do me in.
Well, I got the angle.
Oh! Oh my god, that was a good shot.
I got a birdie.
Nice. If that ball went a little bit slower, I might have actually gotten that one shot. It was at the right position, just too fast.
No matter.
Alright.
Concentrate. Become.
A little. Are you shitting me?
Silence and the pause.
Become the ball.
Are you
Concentrate.
fucking shitting me?
That fucking pause, just like silence as the ball stops, and
And
then
here
all
you
you
can
hear is
pinpoint the
"Hooray!"
exact. And here you can pinpoint the exact moment he just gets really pissed off.
Ah.
What the fuck?
Quick as a ninja.
Whoa. Woo, we made it. And that one.
All right.
Okay. There we go. Escort. I. Mwah. Ah. Oh, thank God for that ramp. Okay.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Hey, a birdie's better than nothing.
How is the ball rolling over that? There we go. I don't know how
Oh, hey,
that's
no
happening.
reds. I'm doing pretty good.
Good for you.
Well, I'm probably gonna get on this.
Kindly.
Oh God. What the fuck is this?
Oh no.
Hey,
Got it.
Good shot.
Yeah.
Sunshine, gay.
Oh.
Ah.
Well.
We were both disappointed.
Down. Thank you.
Low.
There you go.
Whee!
Oh, son of a bitch!
Come on, Ray. Thank you.
Jesus.
And mwah.
Just
Oh,
casually.
Son of a bitch! Go in the fucking hole already!
I'm in.
I'm
Nice.
having a wonderful time.
Thank you.
Quoting Evie, I'm
you.
having a bad day.
Play that clip of Markiplier. Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
Everything is okay.
Why
From-
do you
from
go
get-
in the
from getting
fucking
over it.
wrong direction?
That's That's
Oh,
a
yeah.
game that
It's all falling
I
apart.
am debating if I should play. Is Getting Over It.
God.
Oh yeah.
Bright
It's all
has told
falling
me
apart.
that. Bright has told me he wants to see me play that game, and I'm
Someone
like,
gifted me it, and I'm like, thanks.
What game?
Getting over it.
Oh god.
I'm debating if I should play it. All right, JR, you got
Like it was literally like me
Don't
getting
worry,
it.
I
I'm
know
like,
what I'm. Don't
getting
worry, I know.
over it.
I just had to.
Thanks.
Oh god damn it!
Oh,
That moment when you hit the ball and it just kind of graces the tip and then just goes the other direction. You're like, fuck.
It just touches that rim and just sliddy slides it a little.
Slippy
all right, where are
slides.
we? Oh, what is? Whoa.
More like cunt marks the spot because fuck you not getting the hole in one.
What do you mean I'm AFK, you stupid game?
I don't know why it does
Pain on
that.
my lap.
I don't know why it does that.
Oh boy, oh boy.
I think it's the one on the right that you're supposed to get to. The one I'm going to is not gonna do me any favors.
I think I got it.
We'll see. I think you did.
I think no, I did not get it. You got it. Wait.
Oh.
No, I'm gonna get fucked over. Wait.
Oh, I got it.
Wait. Suck a dick!
Oh! What? Did it actually stop you before you got there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never seen that happen before, for real.
Hey.
What do we do with the fucking hole? What do we do with the
Oh,
fucking
hey,
hole?
I know,
What do we do with the
Reds.
fucking
That was
hole?
a-
We
my-
fucking burn it all
That was
down.
a- that
I
was
gotta
a-
be. All right, guys. I gotta BRB. I'm gonna return to Game World. I'm gonna.
Just disconnect.
Yeah, it's just gonna.
Yeah, I'll be back. My dad has been calling for me, so.
Wonderful day of
What
golfing,
do we
eh,
do
gentlemen?
with the fucking hole?
Yeah.
What do we do with
What
the
else?
orangey hole? What do we do with the orangey hole? We fucking burn it down to the ground.
Excuse me while I polish my 9-iron. That was a beautiful
Yeah,
session,
please
boys.
do that so I can kindly like take it off of you and fucking beat your head in like fucking Andrew Ryan in BioShock.
Oh, the irony.
Yeah, the irony when it freaking caves your skull in,
Alright, what do we do now?
and you're like, "A man chooses."
Oh, man, chooses.
Can we try accelerate?
Yeah,
Yeah,
some
we
casual
can do that.
racing. Oh, man, some racing.
We'll wait for Zach first.
Alrighty then.
All right, I'm back.
Oh, that didn't take very
What are
long.
you up to?
Dad, Dad asked me to put the cover on the grill. I told him let me finish, and he.
All right, we're gonna do a bit of bureaucrat. Mechio.
Super Mario Kart.
So what are we doing now?
Mechiocut.
Mario Kart.
Oh, accelerate.
Step right up. Come on, you know it's time to do the Mechio time.
Mario time.
We go to Death Star.
We joining
Join
you,
me.
Max? Yep, okay. Just a little bit. All right. Jesus.
Oh, man.
Maybe I should use a
Mario.
controller for this one.
You'll get a prompt before you start, like the mini golf.
Okay.
It's
Hang on a
best
sec.
it's best to customize it before you go into a racing because they only give you like 20 seconds to pick.
Well, you can do that now. Press escape and just go appearance.
All right.
So don't
hang
ready
on.
up. Do it now.
Hang on, guys. I'm trying to catch up here.
No rush. We can wait.
I had to exit out and because I bought something.
Ah, yes, the Back to the Future DeLorean.
Money.
We've got to have money.
All right.
What the fuck?
What?
Saw a video and it's like movie leaks. This character dies, and it's just like a guy crying behind the smiling mask, and then the guy going no. And then there's just a video here, carbon monoxide leak, and it's just a guy that looks unconscious.
All right.
Oh god.
Yeah, like what the fuck?
Cursed memes.
For real. Okay, I'm not sure I wanted to see that in my feed. What the fuck?
What feed?
My Twitter feed.
Oh, you have Twitter? I didn't know that.
Christ, yeah, I Oh, it's a fake. Never mind. Oh, thank fuck. God damn it.
I'll just use the default car for now until I, you know.
There was an image here, and it was all pixelated, and like all you saw on the floor was just loads of blood. But it turns out it wasn't blood. It was just a bunch of like bottles, and like it was all cardboard boxes and like liquids, and they made like what looks like a real bloody substance. Right, so WSA&D to move, space to drift, and left click to use your items.
I'm using my controller. No.
It's A is to use A to accelerate.
Okay.
Marty.
I haven't touched this game in a while, so please bear with me. I'm
fine.
relearning myself. I was talking to Zach, but thank you.
Oh.
You're good, man. Sorry.
Yeah, well, I haven't played this game. I
You are not good. You are permitted to not speak again. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay. You use the right trigger to drift. You use the left trigger to use items.
Am I lagging? It's like the screen skips a few times. What the heck?
Yeah, I've been getting that too. I don't know
what the
what's
hell?
going on.
Oh god, I'm
I
drunk.
I randomly teleported. What the shit?
Yeah, I think it's weird.
I think I'm lagging a little. I honestly don't know.
Oh shit! Nearly fell off that bridge. The lag saved me.
Well, at least the lag helped you. The lag seemed to have screwed me over.
Yeah, I nearly fell off that bridge. Oh god.
Come on, give me something good.
Oh my god, my game keeps freezing. Steam, hang on, I'm gonna stop for a minute because Steam, for fuck's sake, stop installing something I didn't tell you to fucking install. I literally paused it.
Is it because you're the host? For me to try to host it?
No, it's fine now. It shouldn't lag anymore.
Alright.
It's because Steam's like, hey, I know you just paused this download and all, but fuck you, I'm gonna just keep downloading it anyways.
Yeah, I hate it.
Are you
when
for
it does
real?
that.
Why does it keep lagging? I literally have nothing running in the background.
I mean, I could take a crack at it and see what happens if I host it. I don't know.
Or maybe I could host it, because I remember when I hosted it, the experience was relatively stable.
Yeah.
I'll just phrase.
Yeah. We're already into it. We'll just play it out by ear.
Oh, damn it. Fucking, oh, the frame rate. God damn it.
Seems like he's doing better now.
Good.
Oops.
I need better tools to work with, game.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I demand better tools to counter my opponent. Wow, really? A shield? That's gonna help me in second place.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's. You need like one of those that wizard character.
Give me a blue shell.
Or whatever
I
the
don't
equivalent
need.
is.
Oh my lord! It keeps giving me like stuff for behind. I want stuff for the front. You fuck.
Yeah.
If it makes you feel better, I gave you some complimentary beers on the road. If you just pick them up, it'll help you a lot.
Alright, your drunk.
Nah.
Attitude is, you know.
I don't drink.
Leading into this game. I do drink. Ari's heard me when I was drunk. Remember that?
I mean, you sounded the same, if I had to be honest. You didn't sound that bad when you were tipsy.
Yeah. It wasn't like, you know, when when I'm not gonna say the name out of respect.
Finally,
we're recording, but
some good fucking food.
Yeah. You know, forget what I said. I lost my train of thought.
Fine.
Nice song. Oh shit.
I'm too far away to catch up even.
I'll just park my car right over here. Oh, and I got trophies for that.
God fucking damn it. That was bullshit, rigged and fucking bullshit.
It was the lag. We won't chalk that as one. That was the lag.
It's not the lag, it's the fucking fact that I didn't get fucking anything to attack you with.
Yeah, like I said, the item balancing isn't exactly the best.
They need
not.
they need to change that weapon structure a little bit.
Yeah, it's so rigged.
Nope.
Oh,
Drunk and in the whole
Oh.
one.
Yeah,
who's Fox McCloud?
That's me. I've
Oh.
changed my skin again.
That's a good one.
Mission complete.
Yeah.
Mission complete. Hiya!
Hiya!
Wow.
Come on.
There's my DeLorean. Ah, yes.
There's my Daytona Hornet.
There's me on the ground.
Alright, we'll try something else.
That's-
Why don't we try Zombie Massacre?
All right, that's a good one. Have you guys?
back
Was